Imagine this. It's 5 a.m. Your alarm goes off. You're lying in bed, warm under the covers, scrolling through your phone, watching everyone else's highlight reels. That fire you felt yesterday? Gone. That excitement about crushing your goals? Vanished. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow when I'm more motivated. And just like that, another day slips away. Sound familiar? Welcome back to Unlock Deeper Mind. If you're a man in your 20s or 30s grinding through life, chasing success, building your body, your career, your future, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about the one shift that changes everything. Once you master discipline, motivation becomes optional. You've heard it before. Motivation is that rush you get from a killer workout video, a podcast that pumps you up, or seeing someone living the life you want. It feels amazing. It gets you started. You hit the gym for a week straight, eat clean, crush your work tasks. You're unstoppable. But then life hits. A bad day at work, a breakup, stress piles up, the weather sucks, and suddenly that motivation, it's nowhere to be found. You skip one day, then two, then you're back to square one, feeling like a failure. That's the trap of motivation. It's a feeling, and feelings come and go like the weather. You can't control it. You can't summon it on demand. Waiting for motivation is like waiting for the perfect wave while everyone else is already surfing. Amateurs rely on motivation. They wait to feel like it. Pros, they master discipline. They show up no matter what. Discipline isn't sexy. It's not that hyped up energy that makes you jump out of bed. Discipline is quiet. It's brutal. It's doing the work when you feel like trash, when you're tired, when Netflix is calling, when everyone else is sleeping in. Discipline is the system that turns your dreams into reality, one consistent action at a time. Think about the guys you admire, the entrepreneurs building empires, the athletes with shredded physiques, the leaders who never quit. Do you think they wake up every single day exploding with motivation? Hell no. David Goggins doesn't run 100 miles because he's motivated. Jocko doesn't wake up at 4:30 a.m. because he feels like it. They do it because discipline has become who they are. It's non-negotiable. Let me share a quick story. A few years back, I was just like you, chasing motivation. I'd get fired up watching videos, set massive goals, go hard for a couple weeks, then crash. I'd beat myself up, feel guilty, start over. It was a cycle that kept me stuck, until one day I decided enough was enough. I stopped waiting to feel ready. I built systems, small ones at first. Wake up at the same time every day, no snooze. Hit the gym even if it was just 20 minutes. Read 10 pages no matter what. At first it sucked. My mind fought me every step, but something magical happened. After 30 days, it got easier. After 90 days, it became automatic. Discipline unlocked my deeper mind. Suddenly, I wasn't relying on fleeting feelings. I was in control. That's the power we're unlocking today. When you master discipline, motivation becomes optional because you don't need it anymore. You become the kind of man who follows through, the kind who builds unbreakable habits, the kind who wins when others quit. So how do you do it? How do you go from motivation dependent to discipline mastered? It's not about willpower alone. Willpower is finite. It runs out. Discipline is about building systems that make success inevitable. Let's break it down step by step. First, understand the difference clearly. Motivation is emotional. It's the why that excites you. Discipline is behavioral. It's the how that gets results. Motivation asks, do I feel like it? Discipline says, this is who I am. Start by reframing your identity. Stop saying, I'm trying to be disciplined. Say, I am a disciplined man. It sounds simple, but it rewires your brain. You start acting in alignment with that identity. Second, start stupid small. Most guys fail because they go too big too fast. They say, I'm going to wake up at 4 a.m., gym twice a day, cold showers, no junk food, and they burn out in a week. Instead, pick one thing, just one. Make your bed every morning. Do 10 push-ups. Drink a glass of water first thing. Make it so easy you can't fail. James Clear calls this the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Momentum builds from tiny wins, Those small disciplines compound like interest in a bank account. Third, create your non-negotiables. These are the things you do no matter what. Rain, shine, tired, busy, they happen. For me, it's training, reading, and planning my day. What's yours? Gym? Meditation? Learning a skill? Write them down. 3 max. Tie them to your deeper why, not surface level stuff like look good. Deeper. Be the strong father my kids respect. Build wealth to protect my family. Unlock my potential to serve something bigger. When the deeper mind connects, discipline flows naturally. Fourth, remove the friction. Make good habits easy and bad habits hard. Want to eat clean? Prep meals on Sunday. Stock your fridge with real food. Throw out the junk. Want to train daily? Sleep in your gym clothes. Lay out your shoes by the door. Want to read more? Keep a book on your nightstand, phone in another room. Environment beats willpower every time. Design your space like a pro athlete designs their training facility. Fifth, embrace the suck. Discipline isn't comfortable. That's the point. Growth happens in discomfort. When your mind screams quit, that's the moment you push harder. That's where mental barriers break. Cold showers, tough workouts, difficult conversations, saying no to distractions. Lean into it. Tell yourself, this is building me. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you unlock a stronger version of yourself. Sixth, track everything. What gets measured gets managed. Use a journal, an app, a calendar. Mark your wins daily. Seeing that streak grow, it's addictive in the best way. Don't break the chain. One viewer messaged me, I started with 10 push-ups a day. 200 days later, I'm benching double my body weight. That's discipline compounding. Seventh, surround yourself with winners. Your circle matters. If your friends are lazy, complaining, scrolling all day, guess what? You'll become like them. Find men who challenge you. Join a gym with serious lifters, online communities of grinders, podcasts that fire you up. Iron sharpens iron. Cut out the energy drainers. Protect your mind like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. Now, let's talk results. Once discipline is mastered, your life transforms. You wake up knowing you'll get it done. No more guilt, no more starting over. Confidence skyrockets because you trust yourself. You keep promises to yourself. Opportunities open because you're consistent. Women respect you. Friends admire you. You become unbreakable. But here's the deeper truth, the one that ties into unlocking your deeper mind. Discipline isn't just about grinding. It's spiritual. It's surrendering to something bigger than your feelings. It's faith in action. When you show up consistently, you're proving to yourself and to the universe that you're serious, that you're ready for more. Doors open, synchronicities happen, your deeper mind awakens, you tap into flow states, ideas come, energy multiplies. I've seen it in my life, in viewers like you. The guy who was stuck in a dead-end job started disciplining his mornings, now runs his own business. The dad who was out of shape committed to daily training, now inspires his kids. Discipline isn't punishment, it's freedom. Freedom from excuses, freedom from regret. So if you're watching this right now, feeling that pull, that's your deeper mind calling. Stop waiting for motivation. It won't come when you need it most. Master discipline instead. Start today, right now. Pause this video. Write down one non-negotiable. Commit to it for 30 days. Build the system. If this hit home, smash that like button. Subscribe and hit the bell. We unlock deeper every week. Comment below, what's your one discipline you're starting today? I'll read every single one. Let's build together. You're capable of more than you know. Once you master discipline, nothing can stop you. Motivation becomes optional because you're already winning. Go unlock it. See you in the next one.